feathers. Rosella parrots are known for their bright and vibrant plumage. They typically have a combination of red, yellow, blue, green, and black feathers. There are several different species of Rosella parrots, each with their own unique color patterns. Lifespan: Rosella parrots can live up to 20 years or more in captivity if given proper care and nutrition. In the wild, their lifespan may be shorter due to predators, disease, and other environmental factors. Diet: Rosella parrots are primarily herbivores, and their diet consists mainly of fruits, vegetables, seeds, and nuts. They have a specialized tongue that allows them to extract nectar from flowers, and they are also known to eat insects and small invertebrates. Behavior and vocalizations: Rosella parrots are active and energetic birds, known for their playful and curious nature. They are social birds and thrive in pairs or small flocks. They are also known for their loud, raucous calls and whistles, which they use to communicate with other birds in their flock. Breeding: Rosella parrots are monogamous and typically breed during the spring and summer months. They build their nests in tree hollows or other suitable cavities, and the female lays 4 to 8 eggs. Both parents take turns incubating the eggs and caring for the chicks. Species: there are several species of Rosella parrots, including the eastern Rosella, northern Rosella, pale-headed Rosella, and crimson Rosella. These birds are native to Australia, and some species are also found in Indonesia and Papua New Guinea. Conservation status: many species of Rosella parrots are listed as least concern on the UCAN Red List, but some species, such as the western Rosella and adult Rosella, are classified as vulnerable due to habitat loss and fragmentation. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these species and their habitats.